And Marion County Tax Collector. It's kind of a catch-all place here for driver's licenses and Marion County Tax Collector's Office. We're going to go in and see how well they respect our right to film in public. First, I'm going to walk around the back rather, and film from the back. And I'll go inside. Smile, you're on camera. Going to go in and see how well they do here. Driver's license fees. So they have everything posted right here, so you can see up front how much everything costs. Hard sampling of driver's plates.
May we ask what you're doing?
What's it look like I'm doing?
Taking pictures?
It's most likely what I'm doing.
Yeah, but we just to make sure it's not a rush.
It's about everybody, everything I can see.
No.
That's just what my job is here, to film everything.
I'm just asking.
Yeah. Sorry about that.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah.
At least it's clean.
Oh yeah. Well maintained, you know. So.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Somebody has to do it.
Oh yeah. So it's not very busy right now. I've been in here before.
Yesterday was jam packed.
Oh yeah, it usually is. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's kind of early in the morning, I guess. You know, you get enough people come in around. Yeah.
Yesterday was
Yeah.
all day.
I do have to ask you to come away from our testing area.
Well, nobody's testing right now.
No, they're not.
Yeah.
But if I set somebody up for a test, I'll need you to
Oh,
move
if you
away
set
from the testing area.
Okay. Yeah.
Number 73.
Come over here, man. Yeah, when we don't have a line, we just grab you as you walk in.
Okay,
That's the good
great.
life.
That's
Yeah.
How are you, sweetie?
Good.
Can you take electric cable, just only water.
Only water.
TK3, I see on her, I'm pretty sure you left the 85 now, Southeast 20.
Okay.
I registered years ago when I first came.
Okay, so you want to change it from the Marion to gray?
See what kind of books they have here.
I was looking at them before too, because it's like a dark red.
That's good. They have a charity book donations. Well, folks, that's the Bellevue, Marion County Tax Collector's Office.
How are you, sir?
Doing all right.
Yeah.
Come on down. I'm sure we have a clerk right down here for you.
Marion County Tax Collector. And other than a hiccup or two, they're pretty okay with people filming in there. Well, I'm out.